Okay guys, let's open it. That's how I open
Hindi talaga may mga complete naman pero hindi masyadong pulito. Sa tingin ko lang
the whole world.
okay na.
This is how
okay
you
lang
like
talaga
make
yun.
it, like how?
Pwede demolish.
Okay, let's
So
open this
super
surprise.
ganda ng property.
Okay, let's
Only we have the
oh,
but
stickers!
as
Guys, I got
I mean it
stickers.
was already sold.
Okay, let me
So,
build this thing because
Kasi
I
may mga
don't know what it
prospect
is.
na noon pero hindi pa na finalize, so kaya pinanalyze na lang nila yung agreement.
It's like
So
this.
then if you are interested, you should contact us or me for
That
a
is so cute.
proper
Okay,
viewing.
well, let me speed this up.
Makapunta na kayo sa property at isama natin si may-ari or yung pangkin may-ari kasi naman talagang mag-hold sa property. So no need to talk with the other people around the area. So we will talk properly once you decided to buy this property. But it's very affordable and very cheap, according to this. So very nice talaga. So good for farming. Maganda siya. Okay. So if ever mga side viewings, just contact me. So ito kayo mga nakita sa guys, hindi ko okay, there's also a
Look
source of
at
water
it.
from the
It's a
municipality. It's not far
Tweety
from the
bird.
municipality.
I'm gonna put this in my room. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.